In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Meta Ads Manager, also known as Facebook Ads Manager. This setup is essential for anyone looking to advertise effectively on Facebook and Instagram, providing a centralized platform to manage your campaigns with ease. So let's dive right in and get you started. First things first, you'll need to create a business portfolio. Begin by heading over to business.facebook.com/overview. This is the starting point for everything we'll be doing today. If you haven't already, sign into your Facebook account. Once you're there, you'll want to follow the prompts to set up your business portfolio. This is crucial as it ties together all of your advertising activities under one umbrella, ensuring a more organized and streamlined experience. With your business portfolio in place, the next step is to add your existing Facebook and Instagram pages. This links your social media presence to your advertising efforts, making it much easier to promote your pages and engage with your audience directly through your ads. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the instructions provided on the site, and you'll have your pages connected in no time. Now that you've linked your pages, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section within Meta Business Suite. Look for the option labeled Accounts and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu where you need to select Ad Accounts. This section is where you'll manage the financial side of your advertising efforts, ensuring that every campaign you run is tracked and billed accurately. Within the Ad Accounts section, you're going to want to click on Add and then select Create a new ad account. This is a pivotal step as every campaign you run will be constructed within this ad account. It's where you'll set parameters for your ads, manage budgets, and track performance metrics. As you create your ad account, you'll be prompted to fill in several details. Be sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information in these fields. It's important for both transparency and functionality. You'll also need to confirm your business information. This ensures that your account is verified and ready for use, minimizing potential disruptions that could affect your campaigns. Finally, a critical component of setting up your ad account is setting up your payment method. You'll be asked to provide a payment option to fund your advertising campaigns. Be sure to select a method that is convenient and secure for your needs. Once your payment method is set up, you're officially ready to start creating campaigns. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Meta Ads Manager, paving the way for effective and efficient advertising on both Facebook and Instagram. With your business portfolio, ad account, and payment method all in place, you're well equipped to reach new audiences and achieve your marketing goals. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.